successful entrepreneurs are literally crushing the competition with massive engagement, higher conversions, and way more sales. How? With unique, eye-catching, visually stunning animated videos just like this one that anyone can create in just 3 steps, in under 2 minutes, without knowing a thing about creating video. I'm Joey Soto, co-founder of a company called Viddyoze. As an entrepreneurial-minded small business owner, you know that professional video is the most effective way to capture and keep the attention of your audience. The longer you hold their attention, the warmer they get, and the more likely they are to buy from you. And that's why when you use the world's #1 cloud-based video platform called Viddyoze, you'll effortlessly be able to get people to buy from you, book appointments, build authority and expertise, keep your fans and your customers coming back for more, and market your business a lot better. And that's why we're now the tool of choice for over 251,881 business owners just like you. And my guess is, since you're watching this right now, you want to build your brand, look more professional on your website, create great video content that engages and sells like crazy without paying hundreds or even thousands of dollars for just a single video, and build your list of hyper-engaged followers, fans, and subscribers without having to spend hours creating content and then posting to social media. The problem is, you're not sure what type of video you should be making, or how to create it and edit it, or why some really basic videos go viral while the really professional ones fall flat on their face. On top of that, you're not only busy, but even if you had all the time in the world, you don't want to spend it learning the tricks of the trade, creating video content and blasting it all over the internet. No, you've got better things to do with your time, like focusing on your business and growing it, or playing with your kids and relaxing with your friends and with your family. But what if I showed you just how quick, easy, and effective the Viddyoze platform is? So quick and easy, in fact, that I can walk you through from start to finish in just 3 steps in under 2 minutes. Okay, ready? Start the timer. Let's take a look at how simple it is to create your own video masterpiece inside the Viddyoze editor. Step 1. Log on to the Viddyoze platform and choose an animation template from our massive library. Step 2. Simply customize the template by uploading a logo or an image, customize the colors, add text, or even music to your video. And step 3. Once you preview your video, you can go ahead and click Create. Viddyoze will then go and automate the entire creation of your video in the cloud. You can literally sit back and do nothing. With Viddyoze, you have the power to design your entire business future in just 3 clicks and in under 2 minutes. As you can see, we created this tool with you, the busy entrepreneurial-minded small business owner, in mind. Look, we know that you're hungry to build your list of fans and paying customers, and we also know you're a savvy self-starter who knows how game-changing the right marketing, engagement, and branding strategies are. That's why the ability to make professional live animation videos in just 3 easy steps that will engage your audience, attract quality leads, and generate consistent sales is the best investment you can make. With 82% of global internet traffic coming from video, the going rate for professionally edited content is at an all-time high, sometimes costing thousands of dollars for just one short video. But with Viddyoze, you can design tons of captivating, scroll-stopping, professional videos with zero tech or creative skills at a tiny fraction of the going rate of just one video. In fact, for only a very small investment, you won't just get access to the world's #1 cloud-based video platform. You'll also get everything you need to become our next happy user, beginning with instant access to our video production vault. The vault is chocked full of exclusive settings and tools to make your brand and business pop, including over 250 professionally produced animation templates, music, and sound effects. One-click background removal from all your images, the ultimate workflow, premium image editing, multi-format rendering so you have any type of format ready for any platform, titles, personalized branding, color customization, and multi-font support so you can match up to your brand whenever you need to, and unlimited usage rights along with unlimited commercial license rights. But that's not all. You're also going to get insider access to our Kickstarter bootcamp, which was a live $10,000 per head masterclass training that my team and I delivered to our elite clients here in the UK. This training teaches you which type of video is best for your business and how to effortlessly create videos that get tons of views on your blog and website in just minutes. The easy way to maximize the ROI on your video content, how to grab attention on any social media platform to boost your comments, your likes, your shares, while driving high quality traffic to your website, your page or your funnel, and so much more. Plus, with our 30-day, 100% no questions asked money back guarantee, you've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. If you're ready to easily create, capture, and convert in 3 easy steps at a fraction of the cost to hire a professional editing service, I invite you to click the button below this video to get started with the Viddyoze platform right now. We look forward to making you our 251, 882nd happy user.